anticipated when this law was being crafted. No?
Oo nga, akala namin magiging benign, benevolent ang kanilang role. Apparently,
Aggressive na aggressive.
bakit, ibig sabihin nun, they use their bargaining position to, lalo-lalo during harvest season, to disadvantage the palay farmers. I think it requires greater executive action by DA. Tsaka na po yung SPS, Diyos ko Mariosep. It will not increase production, it will not also increase import, it will only increase to a rise in price. Diba? If you don't solve anything with an SPS, pag pahirapan mo yung pagpasok ng bigas, gamitin mo na lang yung tariffs.
Sir, paano naman?
Safeguard tariffs.
Yung
Bird pains tawag dyan.
yeah, the traders are